Your instructor wants you to find a research study. Perhaps you're used to finding scholarly or peer-reviewed articles by clicking a filter in the database. However, finding a research study takes a little more work. Research studies are the backbone of research. Studies or experiments seek to answer a specific question or test a theory, concept, or product, such as a new drug or medical device. They produce their own data within the study. A literature review, on the other hand, looks at the already produced research, aka the literature, and draws conclusions. This is similar to the academic papers you write for your classes. Research study articles follow a similar format and basic design. Each study defines the population or sample, the behavior or phenomena to be measured, and describes the methodology or process used and how the data is validated. Some articles make it obvious by identifying the study within an article's title or abstract. However, you often will need to do a little bit of reading. In the article item record, abstract, or full text, look for the following terms. Because scientific research articles tend to follow a similar format, this will become a simple, routine part of your research process. Let's look at some examples. When looking at the item record, you have several clues. Under publication type, you see equations and formulas, research, tables, and charts. Under minor subjects, you see a whole list of instruments and characteristics of research studies. Now look at the abstract. Under instrumentation, you see 4 different tools listed. These are used to capture and measure the data in the study. If an abstract or item record is not available or very descriptive, you can always look at the full text of the article and skim for subheadings. Finding research studies can be simple or challenging depending on the database or search engine you're using. In CINAHL, you only need to click on the research article filter. However, this will include systematic reviews and meta-analyses, so you still need to do a little work to be sure the article contains original data. If you don't have a research study filter, you can look at the item record or subject headings or read the abstract. You can also add keywords to your search, such as a specific study design or measurement tools. When in doubt, you can always ask your librarian for help. You've heard me mention systematic reviews. These articles are important to research literature, but instructors often want these excluded from assignments designed to teach you how to analyze a research study. The big difference is that these articles evaluate and synthesize a large body of already produced data to answer a question, gain understanding on a problem, or inform clinical practice. The authors of these articles do not produce their own data, though they may include sections like methods and results. Luckily, these articles often identify themselves within the title or abstract, so you can easily exclude them. If you're having a tough time finding research on your topic, the reference lists for these review articles are excellent for finding research studies.